So we have a very good neighbor, and she have a very good garden. She share a long beans to us. See, this one is long beans. And huge cucumber.
Huge.
Huge.
Huge. Not huge. Huge.
See, look at that cucumber. It's so big. Okay. They have a very good greenhouse. Greenhouse? Right, Kat Rosalinda? Ako'y kanang maayong silingan. Gitagaan me og cucumber. Dagko kayo. And daghan kayo. Batong. Long beans is a batong.